What's up guys, Alex and Elena here, and today we will be visiting two of Bangkok's most popular but often overlooked sites, Chang Erawan and Victory Monument. Since we're staying near the Asok BTS Skytrain station, we'll be starting off there. As mentioned in another video, we highly recommend purchasing a rabbit card, which is essentially a stored currency card you can use for the BTS Skytrains, as well as for dining at various locations. Simply swipe your card and off you go. No need to wait in long lines to purchase a ticket. Follow the clearly marked signs up to Platform 1, making sure you are on the side that is in the direction to Kaheha. Bangkok's Skytrain system is amazingly efficient, clean, and safe, and most importantly, affordable. This particular trip was 50. From Asok, the trip is 13 stops and takes around 30 minutes. You'll know you're getting close when you see the hard-to-miss structure of a multi-headed elephant in the distance. The stop you'll be getting off at will be Chang Erawan. Once you exit the Skytrain station, simply walk north, slightly northwest along the highway for about 10 to 15 minutes till you reach the Erawan Museum, which will be located on your right just at the intersection of the two major highways. Do not follow the directions you get from Google Maps like we did. For some oddball reason, it takes you on a complete detour that takes 3 times as long. Its only saving grace is that you get to see some true local neighborhoods. On our way to the Erawan Museum. We stopped at the
Chang Erawan, and it's kind of like 26 minutes walk in some suburbs, Bangkok suburbs. So
yeah,
it's interesting.
or actually the Bangkok, like not really suburbs, but more like the kind of almost like the slum area. But it's pretty interesting. We're walking down this like path, and there's like little shack homes on either side. So it's more local life around here. The Erawan Museum is a giant 3-headed elephant art display that is made up of 3 levels on the inside. It houses antiquities and priceless collections of ancient religious objects that embody Thai culture. Its owner, Lek Vidyapant, is also the creator of both the Ancient Siam and Sanctuary of Truth museums. Prior to entering the grounds, you will need to pay the 400 baht entry fee. The fee also includes an audio guide that gives you an in-depth explanation of each section of the museum and its surrounding grounds. The audio guides can accommodate a variety of languages. The massive three-headed elephant is made up of bronze and weighs 250 tons. The inside is modeled after the Hindu representation of the universe. The bottom two floors are located in the pedestal, while the top floor is located in the underbelly of the elephant. As is customary, footwear will need to be removed prior to entering the museum. The first floor contains a collection of Chinese vases from both the Qing and Ming dynasties, along with the history of the museum's construction through photographs and wall drawings. The second floor houses precious antiques and arts including European pottery. A statue of Guanyin, the Chinese goddess with 1,000 arms, is also featured. Finally, the top floor represents Travatimsa Heaven, which is located on top of Mount Meru in Buddhist cosmology. The walls are decorated with paintings depicting the cosmos, and relics and statues of Buddha from several eras are also on display. The gardens and fountains surrounding the museum are filled with intricate statues and shrines that make for a relaxing and peaceful visit away from the hustle and bustle of Bangkok. As you exit, you'll need to go through the museum shop where you can find souvenirs and other items related to Erawan, as well as some light snacks and refreshments. Starting again from Asok, we will be taking the BTS Skytrain to Victory Monument. The trip is a total of 7 stops and takes about 15 minutes. You can see that when you get on the train, they have like arrows for people going in,
Direction.
arrows for people coming out.
Yeah, so you would not stand in the people ways when they getting out.
And this is empty. There's no one here now. But during rush hour, tons of people. So they make lines. They form lines. So it's like orderly. We're gonna hit up Victory Monument now and check out the noodle boat shops, where you can get cheap noodles in case you ever want to come in, if you're a noodle fan. Victory Monument sits in the middle of a very busy traffic roundabout, but what is really cool is that there is an elevated walkway that goes almost completely around the roundabout, allowing for some excellent views of the monument without having to worry about the danger of traffic. Victory Monument is a military monument that was erected in 1941 to commemorate the Thai victory in the Franco-Thai War. It has since become somewhat of a regular spot for major protests. If you're a fan of noodles, you'll want to head over to Boat Noodle Alley. It is definitely a must-do for any first-timers to Bangkok. Look for this canal just below the elevated walkway. What's interesting about these noodle shops is that they still carry the age-old tradition of offering bite-sized servings, a practice that helped prevent noodle spillage while trying to eat on a boat. You might even be lucky and spot Godzilla's little brother cruising around in the canal while you're taking in some noodles.
Yeah, what do you think about this place?
Oh, Lena just got a cool t-shirt that she liked, printed t-shirt, and I was thinking like how much I think I would pay for it, and I said 150. But then when we asked them, they started off at 100. So, you know,
yeah, 100 baht.
This is their Victory Monument. You can buy some really cheap, inexpensive clothes. It's not like the coolest clothes, but it's pretty cool.
Yeah, it have cool prints and it's different than Khao Road, where it's everything the same.
No tourists around here, so everything is way more reasonably priced. Oh, and all the stalls here are run by locals. And just like everywhere else in Bangkok, there's going to be food. Most of the food stalls around this area serve primarily locals, so not only will the food be delicious, but it will also be extremely inexpensive. can't read the sign because it's bent down. It's Carnival Market. As always, thanks for watching our video. If you found it to be helpful, be sure to hit that like button down below and please consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for our final video in our Thailand series.